Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the common keybinds in Destiny 2. First, open the game's options menu. Do so by pressing the escape key, pressing this button right here, or by hitting the corresponding button on your keyboard or controller. Then go into Open Settings. In Settings, make sure you're in the keyboard and mouse section, then scroll down. Here, as you can see, are the common keybinds. You can change the typical movement keybinds, change the finisher or player highlight key, change the emote buttons from the arrow buttons that are set as default, change your push to talk or return to orbit abort activity. And well, that's it. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.